everyone, and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product review video for the new cow print red rubber stamp. When you stamp this image, it makes a cow print pattern on your paper, which is really nice. It can be used for a variety of backgrounds. The stamp itself measures 6 by 6, but the actual stamped area measures 5 5/8 by 5 5/8. I'm going to stamp this image out for you so you can see what it looks like stamped. Remember, if you're using your Misty stamping tool, to make sure to take the foam insert out since this is such a thick stamp. I just put down some removable tape to hold my paper in place, and then I place the stamp on top of the paper. I ink it up really good since this is such a large stamp, and make sure to press down really good to give it a good impression. As you can see, it stamps really nice. The cow prints have cute little lines in them. I made this card to share with you. I paired it up with the new Hee Haw stamp and die set that just came out. And that completes my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this new release, and head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire new release that is available today. Also, be sure to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great videos. As always, thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a wonderful day.